the video, and I'm playing Cookie Fever again, and again, and yeah. Okay, so you want some that, you want this, you want that. Oh, and I'm here, Ryla, and Arlie. Right, I upgraded the cola station, the cola, and it looks like that now. Ooh. Okay. Here you go, sir. Please don't burn. Please. I leveled you up to level 5. What do you mean level 5? He's on a higher level than me. That level. Oh, why? I need to upgrade that if I want to. There, upgraded the level 3. Okay, lettuce burger. Fill up from weird again. Yeah. So you're like the French guy. And you're like, oh, we need another hamburger. No toe. So the only thing that's crazy. And I'm feeling this level. I can't do this. Okay, we need so many hamburgers. It's like crazy. You see, oh my god, this thing's so cool. It's just like, ready in 1, 2, 3. No! Yeah. Cola. And they won't burn there too. That's a good thing. Ketchup, lettuce, tomatoes, lettuce. I'm just updating like the restaurant because I kind of Wait, what was I gonna add this? Oh yeah, ask my dad for ginger ale. You want ginger ale? I'll have some. Mom! Okay, we'll ask them maybe. Oh, do we have ginger ale? Could we have some? I really want pop right now because of this. We have ginger ale, but can we have some? For lunch, Arlie had nothing pretty much, except for one nacho. And me and Ryla had like a lot of nachos. I wasn't hungry, she said, and she didn't have breakfast. All 3 of us together? No, I mean all 3 of us. Okay. Sure. Okay. Here's that. Oh, here's this. I'm gonna call it. I think that's what I found. I told you on. Yeah. Oh, we got a double-decker. We had a double-decker. Okay. I don't know. Leave that. How much is that? That's that?
No, okay. See what it is. Okay? Yeah. That's a brick. Done it.
I've heard of that place.
Where we are? Consider your adult or wildfire, I think.
Wait, the coach is coming?
Hey, be careful.
The coach is coming?
Here. Yeah, guys, come here.
Yeah?
It's not. You can't get that over.
Yeah, probably. So don't put it there.
Yeah, I need to get to the table.
Here.
Yeah.
Today we're getting a new coat. I really want to see it. It's leather and I haven't seen it yet. Yeah, I haven't even seen a coat. Nope. Okay, you guys will be back. But Arlie and Ryla are going to keep talking. I'm just going to... Okay, new entertainment stuff. Yeah, also, we're playing World Chef Halloween version. Chicken Fever Halloween version. Ah. Oh, sorry. Want to see the cooler? Yeah, I need to upgrade my cooler. I upgraded my cooler. Fix it. Thanks, Justin. Oh, I can't upgrade. Everybody. You didn't win. You lost. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you that. Yeah, Ryla's favorite color is yellow. Not very. There's a guy at my store. Okay, so this is it. Oh, you need a third hot okay, I was just getting a drink, and it's very good. Yes, that was very good. I like how it's all flavors. Yeah, I like that. That's like my favorite part about like ginger ale. And yeah, it's all like flavors in it. It's so good. Yeah, that's ginger ale. Get a little bit like that. Little bit potato. You know how ginger ale and stuff makes you burp? Oh, yeah. That's what you know to do. And sometimes it comes like other ones. A fart. It's true. Sometimes ginger ale does smoke other ones. Yeah, sometimes. But not a lot, too. Yeah, I heard that. I never do that business. Me neither. Okay, you would like a hot dog now? You would like Pepsi-Cola? Pepsi-Cola. 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 So you would like that? Yes, Bandit. Okay. Yeah, feed the bandit it. Bandit it. Bandit it. Always feed the bandit it. Bandit it. That's what they're called. Yeah, very well pronounced. Very well pronounced. Yeah. Nothing. You didn't say anything. I don't care, I just said what? Oh, these just birds. No, they didn't birds. You're fancy. You're fancy Pepsi-Cola over there. Pepsi-Cola. I love that word. Pepsi-Cola. 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 Okay, there's no Pepsi-Cola. Yes, now I get 2 Pepsi-Colas. I'm on level 15. Yeah. I did all that work for you, Ryla. I'm squished. Ryla, can you move over a bit? I think I'm really squished. Cola. I was getting more Pepsi Cola because it's awesome. Pepsi Cola. That was really fast, actually. I think I played a big one. You want Pepsi Cola? You want Pepsi Cola and a burger? And a burger.
My dad used to say hamburger.
What?
A burger is someone that.
Should we introduce them to the street? If they want to. Maybe not. Wait, how? No. Subs are super hot. People will be able to see. Wait, they're here? Who? Help people.
Yacht people.
Hey, yacht.
Hello? We got a new pitch from that plane and planes.
That's my mom talking to the dog. If you're wondering who's talking right now.
That's not cola.
Was it everybody wants something? Oh, I finished. Did I win? No, I think.
Drink is clean.
Whoa, that's a big truck.
I know.
Oh my god, Ryla, look at it.
Oh my god! What's Goid?
I know, you were like, oh my god.
Okay, I want to play this again.
But you guys, I think we're going to end this video. Bye.
Bye.